Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about the process of verifying your identity on TikTok. So for various features, you need to have your identity verified, particularly for monetization. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys the steps of starting that process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your TikTok profile. If you're unsure how to get to that, select the profile button at the bottom corner of your TikTok app, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, left click on that, and then select the balance button. And now there should be an identity verification button on here under services. You can see I'm already verified. So go ahead and left click on that. So then at this point, it will walk you through the options of then uploading your driver's license, birth certificate, the various forms of identification perhaps, and then you would have to wait for TikTok to approve the authentication. It could take, I believe, if I recall, anywhere from 48 to 72 hours, somewhere in there, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.